And yeah, SmartTag.
And this is the Ultra, Buds, and SmartTag. Let's get this open. This will complete my whole ecosystem. Let's start off with the phone. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I was actually with the wrong side. Alright. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. Holy shit. That color is amazing.
Let's see what's in the box. I'll go on through the specs later, but again, no charging brick, just warranty card and USB-C to USB-C.
That's a good phone though. I'm not gonna lie, I like that. It's got a screen protector. Should I turn this on? Okay, cool. That looks nice. No, honestly, that looks nice. I'm gonna set that there. Everything else is all good. I'm gonna pop these back though. You do get a SIM ejector tool. Oh, starting Android. Oh shit, that's nice. That looks good. Compared to my phone that I have now, it's a OnePlus 6T. I think it's 3 generations below, but that's sick. Insert a SIM card, yeah, of course. Obviously, after I get done this video, all good. Samsung Buds. Yeah. I'll open these later, but what I'm gonna do is I'll open it now. Might as well.
Oh, wow.
Again, look at that. Samsung. Whoa. That's so cool. Just turned up and opened. Wow. That's great. And you also get the charging indicators as well there, so that's great. And last but not least, SmartTag.
Oh.
Okay, so that's the SmartTag. Galaxy SmartTag. That looks awesome. These are really, really cool. So, recap. SmartTag. Smart Buds. And phone. Phone Buds Tag. That's cool.